right, example 1 on section 405, day 1. The list price on a tool is $18.50. Okay, so when businesses have a list price, that just says that the company selling the product to the business says this is what you should put the price on this product for. So if you got some nationwide product, everybody's got around the same price. That's what that means, the list price. On a special sales offered at 20% off, what's the net price? So I kind of talked about this a moment ago when I was talking about that tax problem that Dominic asked me about, where you take 25% off for taxes, that means 75% is left. All right, when you're dealing with taking a percent off or adding a percent, it's best to start at 100 and then either deduct or add to 100 to handle that. So in this case, if it's 20% off, that means it's 80% on. Does that idea make sense to everybody? 20% off, that's supposed to be smaller. 20% off is 80% on. Okay. Anytime you see any kind of percent off sale, it's taking a percent off of 100%. So if you take 20 away from 100, you're left with 80. These two numbers, 20 and 80, add up to 100. All right? So the new price of the tool is going to be 80% of the original price. All right, the original price is this. All right, so when I'm looking at this question, again with this idea of making a percent sentence problem out of the situation, I want to know what is 80% of $18.50. The other way of doing the same problem is to find 20%, but then you have to subtract that away. So $18.50 is how much the whole price is. You take away 20%, you're left with what's left. In this case, we found the right percent, the percent of the price we're actually going to pay, so this will get us the exact answer we're looking for. No extra work. All right, so what is 80% of $18.50? Again, the 80 came from right here, which comes from right there. So this is what they told me. I used that to find that, and that's how I wrote my percent sentence problem. So if it's what is 80% of $18.50, just like before, we have a percent sentence problem. We're going to create a percent proportion. We're going to put the pieces where they belong. The percent goes above 100. Once you've done that, you should be left with the word is and of. Is only next to what at this point, since we've already used 80. And of is only next to $18.50 because we already got rid of the 80. So again, you do the percent first. A lot of times is and of are only left with one thing possible. When it says what is means we don't know. When it says of 1850, that means 1850 goes on the bottom. And then once we do that, we're simply going to cross multiply to solve for x to find the actual new price. Should it be more or less than $18.50?
Less.
Less, why?
Because since it's 20% off, you have to subtract.
Subtract. Or else the other thing is it's a sale, right? Every sale I go to, the stuff costs less. So you, just kind of having an idea of what's supposed to happen helps. So if we cross multiply, I'm going to get 100x when I do that product equals this product. 0, 0, carry the 0, carry the 4, 8, carry the 6. 100x equals 1,480. Then we divide both sides by 100. We have x equals $14.80 would be the new price of the